Aruba Tourism Authority, the Government of Aruba, Lotto Pa Deporte, Purple Entertainment Group, Amstel Bright, Bacardi, Mitsubishi by Protac, Insulair, Coppertone, Marriott Aruba Resort, Fiberworks, Taste of Belgium, and Cool FM make it all happen.
Aruba get ready, starting June the 19th till July the 4th. The 25th Aruba High Winds is coming up. This year we go big at the huts. 2 weeks of exciting races.
The first week, 150 pro riders from all over the world will battle for the cash. And the second week, our original high winds with windsurf races and kitesurfing madness.
We got 2 weekends of entertainment. Honeypot, Data Panic, Douchey Band, Mystical Connection, Tsunami, Earplugs, Rinkin Boys, Original Velo will get the beach moving.
Underground Cycles will bring you back to the 50s with a live fashion show.
Daily happy hours from 4 till 5.
Visit our website, highwinds-aruba.com.
Aruba, Osaka Aba, High Winds 2011, na Caminda.